systems, and that investment's going to continue. So we had key systems that were impacted by the CrowdStrike issues, but through the modernization efforts that we've been putting in place, we had redundancy. So we were able to work around those issues, and so I'm really proud of the team. Those modernization efforts, both in technology and processes, meant that we could recover very quickly, and we actually ran a 99.9% completion rate on Friday, the day of the incident. So basically no impact. But again, it's all because we've been investing in the operation and particularly in new operational technology.
Not just technology, though. Another problem dogging the airlines these days is safety concerns, for sure. Back in March, the FAA announced that it was going to be keeping a closer eye on United. Southwest now under some scrutiny as well. I'm quoting the announcement here. The FAA has increased oversight of Southwest Airlines to ensure it's complying with federal safety regulations. Does Southwest, now do you guys know specifically what they're going to be looking at?
Well, you just start with nothing trumps safety. There's nothing that you're going to do that would ever compromise safety. So we've had a number of incidents. This is serious. We have a team focused on understanding exactly what happened, what can we do to improve, whether that's training, procedures. That's well underway. I actually talked to the FAA Administrator, Whitaker, earlier this week just to reiterate my personal commitment to safety and to thank them for their involvement. I mean, we welcome the help of the FAA because at the end of the day, we want to be the best airline and the safest airline that we can be, but we'll get to the bottom of understanding, and we will implement an action plan to improve.
I suppose at the end of the day, it's got to be either the planes or the pilots, right?
You know, typically, and I don't want to speculate, but a lot of times things come down to human factors. And so you know, it would not surprise me that is the case here. But we've got the work to do, and we've got the work to do with the FAA. We will do it. And again, I welcome their help.
That was Southwest Airlines CEO Bob Jordan speaking with anchor Mike Rogers of Odyssey's News Radio KRLD 1080 in Dallas.
And for some analysis, we turn now to our own KCBS's Jason Brooks. Jason, how do you think these changes will impact Southwest bottom line?
Well, it certainly seems like passengers are going to be happy about this. I mean, unless you're a fan of the cattle call at Southwest, it's never been a lot of fun. And also, extra leg room being added to a third of the fleet is something that I think a lot of passengers would probably like. In the end, it comes down to performance. And while the airline's profits plummeted quite a bit in the recent quarter, it still sees very strong revenue. You can see very strong travel trends in the U.S. and globally over the past couple of years. And Southwest is expected to benefit from that. The stock is surging higher. It's up by 7% on that anticipation. Now, Southwest has been under a lot of pressure. The stock is still in negative territory this year. And activist investor Elliott Management about a month ago disclosed that it had a $2 billion stake in Southwest, and it's been pushing the company to fire CEO Bob Jordan as well as Chairman Gary Kelly, who was the longtime CEO at Southwest. So a lot of pressure coming from outside the company. But investors right now like the direction that Southwest is heading in. American Airlines also benefiting, its stock surging higher this morning. And really just a quick look at the overall market after the bloodbath we saw yesterday, the worst day for the stock market since 2022. Pretty solid rebound. The Dow has gotten back all of its losses. It's up more than 500 points. NASDAQ has a ways to go, but it's up 150, and it was down significantly earlier in this session. So a nice turnaround, and the S&P is moving higher by 50 points. I'll have more on today's action at 9:55.
Okay, thank you, Jason. We will speak with you then. Stay close. We will also update your Thursday morning commute with Kim in 2 minutes.
Get ready for the largest RV show of the summer. Starts Friday at El Monte RV in Dublin. The last time you checked your house for termites was probably when you bought your house. How long has that been? This is Joe Sharkey. With one call to Pacific Coast Termite, a uniformed inspector will come to your home or business and answer your questions and inspect your property. Now, even if you don't think you have termites, I recommend you call Pacific Coast Termite for a free home inspection to make sure. Certain restrictions apply. If you do have termites, they can get rid of them with no tenting, no double bagging your food, no pet sitting. You can even be home while they do their work. Try doing that when there's a tent over your house. Mention KCBS and get 10% off termite treatment and a 2-year guarantee on their work. Call 800-PACIFIC. That's 800-PACIFIC or go to PacificCoastTermite.com.
Pacific Coast Termite kills termites.
The clean, friendly way.
Now how you do that?
The story of the one. As a maintenance engineer, he hears things differently. To the untrained ear, everything on his shop floor might sound fine, but he can hear gears grinding or a belt slipping. So he steps in to fix the problem at hand before it gets out of hand. And he knows Granger's got the right product he needs to get the job done, which is music to his ears. Call, click Granger.com or just stop by. Granger, the ones who get it done.
Hi, welcome to Zoobles. Hi, my son's teacher emailed his back-to-school list. He needs crayons and a comp book for every subject. Okay, no problem. With Staples Hot Deals, you'll find super low prices on hundreds of items for back-to-school. Oh, now they're saying he needs folders and glue. You got it. And markers, of course. Oh, geez. Can we get a card, please?
Save big on back to school with Staples Hot Deals. Right now, 24-pack Crayola crayons and comp books are only 50 cents each at Staples. Wednesday 24 in-store only, limit 30.
Jim Witterly's in your local English traffic center. What's happening?
I'm looking at a very, very foggy deck of the Golden Gate Bridge, and it'll start to dissipate as you make your way up and over that Waldo grade. But yeah, the visibility's still pretty terrible there. But we're looking at problems that continue on the northbound side of 238. This is as you come into San Lorenzo, approaching the 880 ramp. They're still in the clearing stages with an accident.
How you drive?
Looks like it may be off to the side now, but I do see a line of slow traffic back from 580 as you make your way out of Castro Valley. And I'm also looking at, looks like that road project set up, sweeping operation, something like that. On the eastbound side of 580, heading into the Dublin Canyon, we're seeing some brake lights here, heading out toward Eden Canyon Road. Let's go back to the last crash that we had reported on North 880 in San Jose. So there were two, one up by the Alameda. That one finally has been cleared. It's off to the right shoulder. The one in the backup at Bascom Avenue is still in the right lane. So the net result is you are jammed up from the Highway 280 split. As you pass Bascom, you start to pick up the pace, but it's still pretty slow out to the Alameda where that first crash was reported. Your next traffic update is at 9:48 on the traffic leader, KCBS.
Thank you, Kim. And as Kim was mentioning, some thick fog at the Golden Gate. We do have some thick fog in various spots this morning. It will dissipate a bit, though, later. The heat eases today with a more comfortable weather pattern on tap. Highs today in the 90s inland, around 80 by the bay, and the mid-60s at the coast. Much cooler tomorrow. Mid-80s inland, around 70 by the bay, and then cooler again for your weekend. Your forecasted highs for today. San Jose, you're looking at 89 degrees, a high of 68 degrees in San Francisco, and 75 degrees in Oakland. Traffic and weather together on the 8th on All News 106.9 and AM 740 KCBS.
What's the easiest thing to do?
Tying your shoelaces?
No, it's selling your home.
Sell your home fast. Skip the hassle. Call John Buys Bay Area Houses. 510-426-7000.
John by Bay Area Houses. Sell your house the easy way.
Your Thursday morning news watch continues.
The state's insurance pool of last resort for homeowners doesn't cover smoke damage from wildfires. That's at the heart of a class action lawsuit filed in Alameda County Superior Court on behalf of Fair Plan insurance policyholders. KCBS's Raquel Maria Dillon has more.
More and more Californians have had to turn to the state's Fair Plan in recent years because insurers have declined to provide coverage, citing the increased risk of climate-driven wildfires. The Fair Plan is the state's high-risk pool of insurance companies required to provide fire coverage to homeowners who can't find a policy elsewhere. Attorney Dylan Schaefer says the Fair Plan policies don't cover smoke damage, which he argues is less than the mandatory minimum set by state insurance regulators. That's why he filed a class action case on behalf of California homeowners who hold Fair Plan policies.
People's homes are damaged and Fair Plan doesn't pay them to fix them and puts their health and safety at risk by telling them to clean their own houses and won't pay them any benefits for professional remediation.
The Fair Plan and the state's Department of Insurance didn't respond to requests for comment. I'm Raquel Maria Dillon, KCBS.
Santa Fe is putting AI to work. Mayor Matt Mahan and other city officials are now using it to identify problems and come up with solutions. The technology now has a role in optimizing public transit, translating languages, reviewing documents, and locating street issues like potholes, graffiti, broken lights, and illegal dumping, sometimes even before residents notice them. City Hall ramped up AI integration late last year, but has since backed away from using it to collect data on people living in their cars after privacy advocates raised concerns. AI supporters say it won't take away jobs, but instead help city employees be more efficient at doing their jobs.
Calling the process undemocratic, the group Black Lives Matter is denouncing the way Vice President Kamala Harris has been elevated to presumptive presidential nominee. KCBS's Megan Goldsby has more.
We are not saying no to Kamala Harris. We're not saying no to the eventual nominee.
What they're saying, explains Shalomia Bowers, a member of the board of directors of Black Lives Matter, is that the way it's been happening cuts voters out of the process and leaves it to the delegates. The group has called for a snap primary online. He says the issue is that it's not important to the members of his group.
Is a manifestation of our freedom, right? And when you take that away, it's demoralizing.
Speaking on our State of California program, Bowers says there is still time.
The Democratic Party has been telling folks for the last several years that democracy's on the ballot. Well, you can't throw democracy out the door to achieve democracy.
Megan Goldsby, KCBS.
We'll have an update on sports in just over a minute with Stephen.
Hi, I'm PJ Vogt, here to tell you about my podcast called Search Engine, voted one of the best new podcasts by Time Magazine, Vogue, and The Economist. We answer fascinating questions about business, tech, and history. Questions like, who should be in charge of artificial intelligence? Or, how did ADHD medication get so popular so fast? Listen and follow Search Engine with PJ Vogt and Odyssey Podcast. Available now on the Odyssey app or wherever you get your podcasts.
Hey folks, Brett Burkhart here. Ever returned from a vacation to a flooded house? Burst pipes can wreak havoc, leaving you with a major headache. In fact, I still have a hole in my garage drywall from when it happened to me. It's a good reminder that when you have leaks, brown water, or low water pressure, you need to go with the best. That's where Creative Repipe comes in. The guys are the lead pipe experts. They're licensed, insured, and highly reviewed and referred by their customers. Creative Repipe can send a large team out and get a whole house repipe done in just one day. They even offer financing. And right now, you'll get a 20% discount on your home repipe when you schedule your job for this summer. They also offer a lifetime warranty. If your pipes ever leak again, they'll fix it for free. Don't wait for disaster to strike. Call Creative Repipe today for a free quote and a 20% summer discount. Call 888-245-0060 or visit creativerepipe.com.
Coming up on KCBS, test driving a new Bay Ferry boat to the ballpark for Giants fans on the peninsula. KCBS News Time, 9:45.
Speaking of the Giants, here's Stephen Langford from the Bay Area Chevy Dealer Sports Desk. What do you got for us?
It had been 16 months since the 2021 Cy Young Award winner Robbie Ray stepped on a major league mound when he was playing for the Seattle Mariners. He underwent Tommy John surgery. That was in May of 2023, and the Giants traded for him knowing that he would only be available after the All-Star break. And in his first start,
not supposed to jaywalk
against a potent Dodgers lineup, a little erratic in the first inning. Two Dodgers batters were hit by his pitches, and he would also walk in the first run of the game. But that was really the only struggle for Ray. He actually did not give up a single hit in his outing as he gave them 5 strong innings.
It was a lot of fun. You know, it's 16 months since the last time I've been on the mound in a big league ballpark, so it definitely was a long journey, but very thankful and excited to be back out there today.
After dropping the first 2 games of the series, the Giants would go on to win in Los Angeles last night, and it's safe to say the manager, Bob Melvin, he was happy to have Ray on the mound.
We've been waiting for this for a while, and I know he's pretty pumped up about being in there. And not only that, you know, gets a win and goes 5 innings, and you know, deep breath knowing that, you know, he's kind of hitting the ground running here.
Series finale against the Dodgers this afternoon at 1:10. While the A's, they failed to sweep the Houston Astros at home. They lost 8-1 yesterday, but they are in Los Angeles tonight to take on the Angels. First pitch at 6:30 at the Sports Desk. Stephen Langford, KCBS.
Thank you, Stephen. The KCBS Sports Desk is sponsored by the Bay Area Chevy dealers. Visit BayAreaChevroletDealers.com.
We all hear the radio ads about the IRS. They tell you to be afraid, to be scared, and they try to frighten you into calling. I'm not here to do that. Tax Relief Advocates is different. TRA is here to tell you that if you owe money to the IRS, whether it's $5,000, $50,000, or $500,000, we have a solution. It doesn't matter if you're sitting in your car, at work, or with your kids. No matter where you are, call now. 800-688-7606. Don't lose hope. TRA can eliminate or reduce what you owe to the IRS.